Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It has been a long time since I've vlogged on this channel. It's the first time actually going out. I'm going to be catching up with Rachel. I'm so excited. If all things goes well, we're going to go check out this place called Tetsujin, which is basically a sushi bar and also I think Korean barbecue place in the city. So the reason why I haven't really been vlogging is because I've got another channel dedicated to vlogging, which is basically about travel, lifestyle, food, that sort of thing, but today I thought I would just upload something on here in case some of you guys don't know that I have a new vlogging channel, just to kind of like introduce it and show you guys the type of content I will be uploading on that channel. I'm just walking towards the Emporium, so I just got off at Melbourne train station, and I'm now in the Melbourne Central Shopping Centre. I can't speak today. Anyway, I was expecting a lot more people, so the restrictions have lifted here in Victoria. There are a lot of restrictions still, but it's not as strict. But you know, around this time of day I would normally expect to see a lot more people, like pre-COVID, but at the moment it's really not that bad. I was actually worried that we might not be able to get a table at Tetsujin, but I feel like because it's really not that busy, we might be able to just walk in. I'll show you guys a little bit more of the shopping centre and this little footbridge between Melbourne Central and the Emporium. It's a great way to just kind of like go between the two shopping centres without, or malls, buildings, without actually having to go outside in the humidity or if it's raining or whatever. And it's also very pretty. So normally pre-COVID you can sit here, but obviously because of all the restrictions they're trying to limit as many people like sort of like hanging around. So you guys can see this seat is not available, but normally yeah, you can kind of like just hang around here. And because there are a couple of universities around, a lot of uni students tend to hang out around here. And I believe, actually no, not this one, there's another level where it's kind of like this as well, where a lot of the people just kind of like chill because they've got charging ports as well, so they can charge their phones, their laptops and hang out. But anyway, we're now going to make our way to the Emporium. I'll check my phone in a second if Rachel is close by. If not, I'm just going to walk around and show you guys a little bit more of this shopping centre. So we're now in the food court section. Again, this is a place that would normally be really packed with people, but I guess people are still quite weary. And it is close to lunchtime, so normally I would expect this to be like really packed. Tetsujin is one of my favourite Japanese restaurants in the city. It's got a sushi train, a barbecue and also a Japanese bar. So we went to the Sushi Train section, and if you guys don't know what a sushi train is, it's basically got this conveyor belt where you guys can just pick out what you want. Otherwise you can get them freshly made by clicking on the iPad and just ordering it and they deliver it to you. And it's also really inexpensive. I think between the two of us, like Rachel and I just had like maybe 5 plates each and a drink, and it added up to be like $50 for both of us, so that's really inexpensive. Normally when I'm vlogging at a restaurant I do try and speak to you guys live on camera, but unfortunately they were playing really loud copyrighted music, hence why I'm just doing a voiceover. I actually don't remember what I ordered. I ordered a combination of things, so like tempura, karage. I tend to go for the fried options just because I don't really like sashimi. That's just a personal preference, and I paired that with a iced tea. Hey guys, so me and Rachel. Hi. I'll leave a link down in the description box down below. So we've just finished at Tetsujin. I didn't vlog in there because it was just so loud.
Oh yeah, the music was really loud.
Yeah, copyright. So now we've just finished. It was so good. I think we had like 5 plates of sushi each, or like, well, it wasn't sushi, it was a combination of things.
It was good.
And catching up, because last time I saw you was before the pandemic.
Yeah, I think no, wait, March. Oh my god.
Yeah, since March.
Okay, it's been a really long time. Really long time.
Really long time. So now we're just going to check out the shops, wander around, and catch up, and maybe go grab a coffee as well.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. That's nice.
Oh, it's so long.
Hey guys, I'm in the changing room at Target and I have got these that I want to try out. So I want a new pair of jeans because my jeans are like really old and they don't fit properly, and I want to try out this shirt. So I'm not sure what sizes I am, so I'm just trying them out. and hopefully they work. So we're just wandering around Target now, and I'm looking for a yoga mat or something like that, but I can't find any. So we're just kind of like in like the, I suppose, dishes section. I'm just looking at water bottles because I actually kind of want a new one, but I don't know if it's a bit wasteful because the one I have is still fine. So I did try and look for a yoga mat or a fitness mat, but couldn't find any, so I'm just going to grab the clothes that I have got here so far, and then I might go to Rebel maybe, or another store like Big W, see if they have anything. We're just at the pajama section right now. It all looks very comfy.
That looks so comfy, just like plain
This,
t-shirt.
yes.
It's just so comfy. It comes down past my knees.
It's very cute.
So comfy. Okay, I got new pajamas. I got new Christmas pajamas.
We've just finished catching up with Rachel, and now I'm going to go ahead over to Rebel, which is a fitness store. Yeah, fitness apparel store. I'm going to see if I can get a fitness mat, yoga mat at a relatively affordable price, and then maybe check out H&M. I want to buy another shirt, just one more shirt, and then I'll head home. H&M is located in this beautiful building called the GPO building, which stands for General Post Office. So this building, I believe, was used as a post office until 1992, according to my research. And then it was only, I think, in the early 2000s converted into sort of like a shopping centre, mall type building. And H&M is there. And as you guys go inside, the architecture is so pretty. It's like, it's such a vibe. It's such a vibe, making the shopping experience so good. Hey guys, so I am back home, and excuse that, I think the foundation's like just completely rubbed off from where the mask sits. I don't know, I've asked people on Instagram and no one can give me a proper like technique on how to keep your makeup on. I think it's just something that you just have to learn to deal with. Someone said that to spray your face with the Morphe setting spray and also the mask, and it should help. I honestly don't know how that's going to work, if it will actually work. I actually have that setting spray, so I will try it out on Monday, because I am going out on Monday again to have a lunch, a lunch date with my cousin. Anyway, yeah, I went to H&M, did a decent browse. Like, there were so many cute things in there, and I really liked a lot of things. I had the intention of just going in there to buy a pair of shorts maybe, and maybe one shirt, but then I walked out with 3 shirts instead. I wanted to get shorts, but I couldn't really find the style of shorts that I like, so I like really sort of like short shorts. So these I got from H&M like in Hong Kong like years and years ago. So I like this sort of like style. Everything else was kind of a little bit longer, or they were quite the loose kind of fit, and I didn't really like any of those. I don't feel like they suit my body shape, so yeah, hence why I chose those. Alright, so I'll quickly show you what I got. I got this, I think it's just a regular fit shirt. I don't really know if there's any sort of like designs, but it's just a plain sort of like shirt. I just really like the colour. I'd like to say this is like a dark mustard colour. It's not very see-through, which I appreciate as well. This one was only $24.99, $25. This was the first shirt I saw when I went in there, and this one's a bit see-through, so I think I'd have to wear like a shirt or a singlet underneath. So this one was $19.99, $20, a regular fit shirt as well. Like, if you're Filipino, it kind of reminds me of a barong. Like, it's just so see-through. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it is quite see-through. But I think it looks really nice. I think for a nice like summery day, this is going to be so nice and handy, because it does feel quite light as well. Similar to what I'm wearing, this one is, I think this is a regular fit as well. It doesn't actually say. This is from the H&M Conscious range. I think this is like eco-friendly, I think. I'm not really familiar with all the new ranges at H&M. I haven't really gone shopping in quite some time, so I'm not sure. But yeah, this is a really nice pattern. I don't know, I really like shirts like this kind of like pattern at the moment. I know it's very summery, but I feel like it's something that I could wear also in autumn and in the winter. I just like patterns, like this is so cute. And then going back to the things that I got from Target, they had a couple of shorts as well. Like they had this really nice powder blue pair of shorts, but they didn't have my size. This one is just from the regular men's section from Target. This one, it just says print shirt, and this is $35. So I just really like that pattern, see? Again, very summery. And then I got a new pair of jeans. So these ones are called the Austin Skinny. I have to get them like trimmed, tapered, whatever the proper word is. Yeah, I really wanted something quite light. I did go to H&M and I saw a couple of lighter jeans. I actually kind of want a really, really pale sort of blue shade, but then yeah, I thought I'd just stick to one pair of jeans because I don't really want to wear too many jeans in the summer. I think I'll just go with this, and as time goes on, this is probably going to go lighter anyway, so I might be happy with just this. But we'll see how the summer progresses, and if I do end up going out a little bit more, I might consider getting a lighter pair as well. And that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I do have a vlogging channel where I do show a little bit more of my food vlogging sort of style. If you guys want to see that, definitely check out the link down in the description box down below. Also the eye on this screen. The next place I'm going to go on Monday, I'm going to have a lunch date, like I said, with my cousin. We're going to be checking out this, I think it's like a Korean street food sort of like fusion restaurant in this city. Really, really excited. So yeah, if you guys like that kind of stuff, like my little commentary about the restaurant and what you guys can order, definitely check it out. I'll also have other travel recommendation videos on there as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.